So we had a tornado watch earlier, and we got a lot of rain and a lot of wind. So, you guys know I had to come up from my sister's house. I wasn't supposed to come back until the weekend, but I had to come and check on my babies, y'all. And they look fine. I'm happy. I just knew they was about to be a mess. So I think I am just going to go ahead and leave them out. I was going to put them in the, matter of fact, I got to look at the temperature for tonight. I was going to put them in the greenhouse, but I decided not to. Like my broccoli, I was going to put it in the greenhouse, but I think I'm going to just leave it out and see what happens. See, I mean, if I get more, sorry you guys, just to see if I get more of the little broccolis on the side. I don't know. We'll see. But let me show you guys what it was looking like. I just knew I was about to come back here and stuff was about to be everywhere. But look at it. It looks fine. I am so happy. Oh, yeah. And I did the scratch test on this, and it is still alive. I forget where I had scratched it. I had scratched it somewhere. But it was alive. It's still alive somewhere. Well, at least I thought. Maybe not. I think I broke it. Maybe I broke a piece. I don't know. Yeah, it's still green. So I probably just messed up. Hopefully it doesn't die for me just doing that. But yeah, it's still green. So I'm going to leave this. What is it called? I keep calling is it a grape tree or grapevine? I don't know. Anyways, but yeah, this is another short video. Y'all know all I do are short videos typically. But anyways, you guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you all so very much for joining. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. Just to see if I get more of the, good grief,